All right, last one. Yay! Hopefully you tried it on your own. But your vertex, right where it changes. So you can either, if you can't tell it, well, it's just your C value and your D value. Ah, it's tight. All right, or it's down there at the bottom, negative 3, 1. So you could have pulled it off either way. And since it's at the bottom of your graph, that's a minimum. So there's a minimum at y equals negative 3. Okay. Your range, well, are we going from our vertex down or vertex up? Up, Mr. Hunter. So here we go. Your range goes from, let's get the proper pen, 0, which it's included, so it gets a bracket, to infinity. And set notation, remember, it's your y value, so introduce your y. And it's going to positive infinity, so it's greater than 0. Okay. And your domain is still all real numbers, because no x's are off limits. They might be incredibly high. X is subset, or is the set of all real numbers. Alright? That's that. Your x and y intercepts. Well, your y-intercept is given for you. It's right there. So y is negative 1 at their point. So when x is 0, y is negative 1. And your x-intercepts, well, those aren't really that pretty. So, again, we'll have to solve for them. I'll write the equation. That's c plus or minus the square root of negative b over a, negative d over a. Oops. Right. Square root of negative d over a divided by b. And 0. So my c value is to negative 1, so it's really a positive 1. Plus or minus the square root of your d value is negative 3, so positive 3, divided by your a value, which is 2, and your b value is 1, comma 0. And we never write divided by 1, so we should go 1 plus or minus, and you can't take the square root of 3 halves evenly. 0. So those are your two x-intercepts. I got one right here at 1 plus the square root of 3 halves, comma 0, and I got one at 1 minus the square root of 3 halves, comma 0. And that is a 3, believe it or not. Let's try it. Can I just erase that a little bit? There we go. 3 halves. Okay. Last but not least, increasing, decreasing. Where's the graph going up? Where's the graph going down? Well, it stops right there at 1. On the left side, well, it's going down. So that's decreasing. So from negative infinity to 1, it is decreasing. Alright, from 1 to infinity, it's going up. So that's my increasing side. That's 1 to infinity. Alright. There you go. Gotta stop the video, don't I?